Have you ever noticed that your body doesn't react the way it once did? That heaviness when you get out of bed, the way your back tightens as you lean forward, or how moving around becomes a struggle after a long day? This isn't simply a normal part of getting older. It is your body signaling that it needs more movement. Today I'm going to walk you through the 5 most effective stretches for people over 50, which, according to scientific research, can bring back mobility, ease stiffness, and lower muscle tension. This simple self-care routine takes only 15 minutes a day and can add years of energy and ease to your life. Stay with me until the end to learn how to perform each stretch correctly and how to build your new daily flexibility practice. And if you know someone ready to take on this challenge, share this video with them. The first stretch on our list is the cat-cow movement. For anyone dealing with back discomfort caused by weak posture or tight muscles, this exercise is an excellent solution. It relieves pressure in sensitive areas of the lower back and shoulders. Borrowed from yoga, this sequence links breath with motion, encouraging relaxation and boosting circulation along the spine, which helps calm inflammation and speeds up muscle recovery. It also heightens body awareness, teaching you to guide your spine with more control, a key factor in preventing injuries. A study featured in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy reported that spinal mobility exercises like the cat-cow significantly improve flexibility and reduce stiffness in adults over 50, supporting better posture, decreasing lower back pain, and enhancing overall functional movement. Researchers emphasized that adding gentle spinal work to a daily routine can counter the natural reduction in flexibility and mobility that comes with age. The name of the stretch comes from the shapes your body forms. In the cow position, the spine gently dips as the chest and chin lift, opening the upper torso and stretching the front of the body. In the cat position, the spine rounds upward while the chin draws in toward the chest, creating a deep stretch along both the upper and lower back. Moving rhythmically between these two shapes releases built-up tension and activates the muscles supporting the spine, restoring mobility and reducing discomfort. To do the exercise correctly, begin on all fours with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees aligned under your hips. Spread your weight evenly, keep your neck easy, and look down. Inhale as you lift your chest and chin, letting your spine sink into the cow pose. Exhale as you round your back, drawing your chin inward and tightening your core into the cat pose. Ideally, repeat this slow cycle 5 to 8 times, coordinating each motion with your breath. You can fit this stretch into your day in many ways. First thing in the morning to awaken your body, as part of a warm-up before physical activity during short breaks at work, or in the evening, to release the tension of the day. Simple, effective, and suitable for any fitness level, the cat-cow movement can truly change how your spine feels and functions, improving flexibility, decreasing pain, and supporting better posture, especially for people over 50 who want to stay active and mobile. The second stretch is the butterfly stretch. Over time, the hips often lose mobility, especially in those who sit for long periods or regularly perform activities that heavily engage the legs. This lack of flexibility can influence posture, increase pressure on the lower back, and even contribute to knee discomfort. The butterfly stretch is one of the most effective ways to maintain and restore movement in this area. By gently lengthening the inner thigh muscles and releasing tightness in the hip area, this stretch offers a simple, accessible way to regain mobility. Suitable for any fitness level, it can be done at home without any equipment. To perform it, sit on the floor with your spine upright. Bring the soles of your feet together and hold them with your hands. Allow your knees to lower toward the floor without pushing past your limits. If comfortable, draw your heels closer to your body, but avoid forcing the movement. Stay in this position for about 20 to 30 seconds, taking slow, deep breaths to help the muscles loosen. The advantages of this stretch extend far beyond flexibility. It boosts blood flow through the hips and legs, speeds recovery after demanding physical activity, and helps ease groin tightness, a frequent issue for runners, cyclists, and those who lift weights. It also supports injury prevention, and helps maintain healthy joint mobility, which is especially important for men over 50. Another valuable benefit is its calming effect. Deep breathing during the stretch encourages relaxation, making it useful both at the end of the day or as part of a gentle morning warm-up. When practiced consistently, the butterfly stretch can significantly improve mobility, enhance posture, and reduce everyday discomfort. The third stretch is the supine spinal twist. As the years pass, movement in the spine often diminishes, leading to stiffness and discomfort, particularly in people who spend long hours sitting or who maintain poor posture. The supine spinal twist is one of the most effective ways to release tension, increase spinal flexibility, and correct subtle postural imbalances. Beyond the immediate relief, research shows that twisting-based movements like this are essential for maintaining spinal health and preventing chronic pain in adults over 50. A study in the Journal of Bodywork and Movement Therapies noted that rotational stretches improve spinal mobility and reduce lower back pain in older adults, supporting their ability to remain independent in daily life. To perform the exercise, lie on your back on a comfortable surface such as a yoga mat or carpet. Extend your arms sideways in a T shape with your palms facing upward. Draw your right knee toward your chest, and with your left hand gently guide that leg across your body to the left, allowing the torso to rotate. Keep both shoulders relaxed and touching the floor. Feel the stretch along the spine without pushing beyond your natural range. Hold for roughly 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides, continuing to breathe deeply to enhance relaxation. This stretch offers benefits that extend well beyond short-term relief. It increases spinal mobility, easing stiffness caused by inactivity or poor posture. The twisting action releases tension in the lower back and hip region, areas that commonly become overloaded, and improves circulation, aiding muscle recovery. Another major advantage is the improvement in posture and balance. Regular practice helps relax overworked muscles and supports an upright stance, reducing strain on the shoulders and knees. This is especially important for older adults, as declines in flexibility and posture can raise the risk of falls and persistent discomfort. Alongside its physical effects, the stretch also encourages relaxation. Slow breathing combined with controlled twisting helps reduce stress and anxiety, making it an excellent option for the evening or after exercise. Simple, effective, and requiring no equipment, the supine spinal twist is a key practice for spinal health and overall well-being. The fourth stretch on our list is the calf stretch. The calf muscles play a vital role in supporting the body, absorbing impact, and assisting with movement. However, as the years pass and the lower leg muscles are used constantly, this area often becomes tight, leading to discomfort, cramping, and posture-related problems. Research from the American Journal of Sports Medicine indicates that consistent calf stretching improves ankle mobility and lowers the likelihood of muscle injuries. It is also effective in preventing plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis, two frequent conditions in people with shortened calf muscles. Another study from the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity emphasizes that maintaining flexibility in the leg muscles helps prevent falls and improves balance, two essential elements for healthy aging. To perform the calf stretch, stand facing a wall or a steady object such as a chair. Place one foot forward with the front knee slightly bent and extend the other leg straight behind you, keeping the heel of the back foot firmly on the ground. Press your hands against the wall and gently lean your torso forward until you feel a stretch in the calf of your rear leg. Maintain this position for about 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch directly enhances ankle mobility, which is crucial for everyday tasks such as walking, climbing stairs, and squatting. When the calf muscles are tight, ankle movement becomes limited, affecting overall stability and increasing the likelihood of discomfort in the feet, ankles, and knees. Beyond improving flexibility, this stretch helps prevent cramping and boosts blood flow in the legs, reducing swelling and heaviness after a long day or after strenuous physical activity. For men over 50, calf flexibility becomes even more important, as muscles and tendons gradually lose elasticity with age, raising the risk of injury. When practiced consistently, this simple but powerful stretch helps keep the calves strong, supple, and free of pain. The final stretch on our list is the child's pose. Research published in the Journal of Bodywork and Movement Therapies shows that gentle spinal stretches like the child ass pose help ease chronic back discomfort and increase mobility in the lower back. Additionally, Harvard Health Publishing notes that this position promotes deep breathing, reduces stress, and enhances circulation, encouraging both muscular and mental relaxation. To perform the stretch, kneel on the floor and sit back onto your heels. Keep your knees together or slightly apart, whichever feels more natural. Lean your torso forward and extend your arms along the floor in front of you with your palms facing down. Rest your forehead on the ground and let your entire body soften, allowing gravity to gently lengthen your spine. Hold the pose for roughly 30 seconds to 1 minute, breathing deeply and releasing tension with each exhale. The main advantage of this posture is the mild stretching of the spine, which creates space between the vertebrae and reduces pressure in the lower back. It also loosens tightness in the shoulders and hips, areas that often lose mobility over time. For individuals who spend many hours sitting, this movement can be especially helpful. Another important benefit of the child's pose is its calming effect on the nervous system. Through slow, steady breathing, this position lowers stress levels and promotes relaxation, assisting with anxiety relief and supporting better sleep. Its simplicity makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of flexibility or experience. Stretching is an investment in your well-being. Whether performed after exercise, in the morning, or before going to bed, the essential factor is consistency. Dynamic stretching helps activate muscles before physical activity, while static stretches like the ones presented here are ideal for relaxation and recovery. Choose a comfortable space, breathe deeply, and respect your body's limits. Begin with light warm-up movements such as gentle arm circles or knee lifts, then proceed to the recommended stretches. Hold each stretch for roughly 20 to 30 seconds, taking your time and allowing the muscles to release gradually. To conclude your routine, finish with a calming position such as the child ass pose to leave your body feeling lighter and more at ease. The real foundation of progress is consistency. Even small, steady changes to your daily habits can create significant improvements in how your body moves and feels. And remember, the place and time don't matter nearly as much as simply beginning. I hope this video brought you something valuable. If it did, share your thoughts in the comments. And stay tuned. I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Don't miss them.